With Business Process Automation Platform, your expenses can be seamlessly transferred from SAP Concur to a wide range of ERP systems. Businesses choosing to use this solution remove repetitive data entry and the associated human errors. This cost-effective automation reduces operational costs, improves efficiency, and speeds up your expenses processes. This out-of-the-box SAP Concur solution uses BPA Platform to create journal entries in your ERP system when an expenses workflow has completed in the SAP Concur Expenses Management software. This means that clients that use the SAP Concur product to track employees' expenses can, upon approval, automatically have journal entries created in your ERP system corresponding to that employee's expenses activity. In this example, we will be demonstrating this process between SAP Concur and SAP Business One. We have been on a business trip to London and need to create a new expenses report within SAP Concur. We will add our expenses, then click Submit. And you can now see a summary of our costs incurred. After we have created the expense report in SAP Concur, BPA Platform automatically transforms and transfers your data to create a corresponding journal entry in SAP Business One. Let's switch over to SAP Business One. And here you can see the journal entry with the entries that have been duplicated from the expenses report in SAP Concur. Note that the credit to wages payable with the total amount of the expenses has been automatically calculated. Typically, any future expenses reports will be automatically extracted from SAP Concur and pushed into the ERP system every 24 hours. Thanks for watching.